So before we proceed, I just wanted to take a second to show you guys what I was able to purchase with my earnings from my merch gear. So here we have the Central Machinery 6-inch buffing wheel. I've been needing this for quite a while, so thank you guys for your support by purchasing some of my merch. What I'll do from now on is just show you anytime I purchase something from the money that I received through my merch site. So if you guys want to check it out, head on to templagear.shop. Link will be down in the comments section below. It's getting cold out, so we have plenty of sweatshirts. So thank you guys. Let's get back to the video.